Hi, friends. It's time for small group, and today we are going to talk about shapes, okay? And we are going to draw something using shapes because we know that that is the best way to practice drawing is by using shapes. So today we are going to use rectangles and circles, okay? And then we're also going to use slanted lines. All right, slanted lines. So I'm going to draw all of the shapes that we're going to use first. Then I'm going to erase, and then I'm going to draw the object that we'll be practicing drawing today. Okay. So here's my chart. So first we're going to be using a rectangle. We know that rectangles have two long sides and two short sides. So watch Miss Charles draw a rectangle. So I'm going to make my short side. See how those are short? And then I'm going to make my long side and my long side. And sometimes you might have to just straighten it up a little bit. Okay? So this is a rectangle. Rectangles can be drawn in different ways. So if I wanted to draw a rectangle that was horizontal, this is vertical. I'm going to make two long lines. So one, two, almost like making an H, the letter H. But I'm going to make a short line at the top and a short line at the bottom. Okay? Rectangle. This one's a little bit smaller. And friends, remember when you're writing, you need to put your letters right next to each other so that they are in a line, okay? Also, we're going to use a circle. And we know that circles go around and around, right? So here's my circle. Around and around. Okay, I'm going to just curve that over again. So that's my circle. And circle is spelled Circle. Circle. And you will learn this when you go to kindergarten. C has two different sounds. C has the hard C sound, and it also has a soft C sound, which you will learn in kindergarten, and it sounds like S sometimes. But there's certain circumstances when that happens, but you'll learn about that when you go to kindergarten next year, okay? So right now, I'm going to erase my rectangle, and my circle, okay? And then we're going to draw the object, that special object for today. So here I go erasing, okay? Now it's gone, nice and clean. So today's object that we're drawing is a basketball goal, okay? We're going to use rectangles and circles to draw a basketball goal. So we know that rectangles have two long sides and two short sides, okay? So I'm going to start with my short sides first. So here you go. So I'm going to make short line, short line. And then I'm going to make two long lines. Drawing two long lines. So one, I'm going to connect it to that side, and two. Okay, so that's the top of our goal. And then I'm going to draw another rectangle in the middle, in the center. So here's my short line, make it a little taller. And then here's my long line and my long line, okay? And they're pretty much connected together, friends, okay? Now I'm going to make the hoop. So I'm going to draw my circle, okay? Friends, my circle is kind of It actually looks more like an oval here, but it's really circle. Okay. And the lines are connected, so circle goes around and around. So let me clean this up a little bit. And now remember Ms. Charles talked about slanted lines. Slanted lines are lines, instead of going straight up or straight across like that, they slant either to the left or you can slant a line to the right. And we use slanted lines when we draw, when we write letters. So we're going to use slanted lines to make the net part of our goal, okay? So I'm going to start here and make a long slanted line on the left and a long slanted line on the right, okay? And then I'm going to make more slanted lines. So here, I'm going to make 1, 2, 3, and then I'm going to make slanted lines this way. 1, 2, 3. And then I'm going to make straight. 1, 2, 3. And there we have a basketball goal, okay? Now, this is Miss Charles's best. I did the best that I could, and I'm not a perfectionist, but I drew my basketball goal. So I want you to try to draw a basketball goal today and send me a picture of it, okay? Or if I call you today, if today's your day that Miss Charles calls you, you can show it to me when I call, okay? And yeah, I can't wait to see your basketball goals using rectangles, circles, and slanted lines and straight lines. All right, friends, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.